When the time is right, it will come. Siguro nahihirapan ka na ngayon sa kakaantay at parang nawawalan na ng pag-asa. Pero you know what? Just keep moving forward, tuloy-tuloy ang pagsisikap, and keep showing up every day. And believe that in God's time, things will fall right into place. May tamang panahon para matanggap mo yung blessing. At hindi lang to inaantay lang. Kailangan gumagalaw tayo. Kailangan binibigay natin ang ating best habang inaantay natin to. Because the time of waiting is not passive. It's actually active. Because one opportunity will lead to the next one. A person you might talk to might introduce you to another person that will give you that blessing. Yung mga natutunan mo ngayon will play a big role in the next phase of your life. And that will all culminate in that very thing you're praying for. At ito magugulat ka. You might receive more than what you prayed for. Ang mahalaga, don't disconnect yourself with God. Keep being faithful. When the time is right talaga, darating yan.